Hello, welcome back to the channel. We have got two great strategies from Mahesh Chandra Kaushik sir, that is buying based on 20 DMA as well as buying based on RSI. Now, wouldn't it be great that we combine both the strategies and see how it works? For the same reason, I have created this video where I have combined both the strategies from Mahesh Chandra Kaushik sir and created one strategy, that is Nifty 50 swing trading using RSI and 20 DMA. So in this, what I have done is I have taken a Nifty 50 list where we will be buying and selling according to the below rules. As I said, I have combined both RSI and 20 DMA. So we will be buying one Nifty 50 stock every day which has fallen the most from its RSI as well as the 20 DMA. We have combined this RSI plus 20 DMA. In some time, we will learn how I have calculated this. Then we will sell the stock once it reaches above 3% target with profit trailing. We will buy the stock once it has fallen by over 5% if we don't have any new stock to buy. For selling, we will trail the profit after 3%. So for example, if today I have achieved the 3% target, but the stock is going up, I will not sell. I will sell only if it has achieved the 3% target and if the stock has gone down today. Okay. So now going to the Nifty 50 list. Here, what I have done is I have taken all the Nifty 50 stocks, okay, and then I have given the Nifty 50 stock with the prefix NSE to get all the data from the Google Finance, and I have get the current market price, the 20 DMA of that particular stock, and the change percentage between 20 DMA and the current market price. As you can see, the Adani Enterprise has the change percentage as minus 9.31%. Now, I have also calculated the RSI. RSI of Adani Enterprise is 40.39. How I have calculated? I have created one sheet called RSI calculation Nifty 50 where I have calculated all the RSI of all the stocks, all the Nifty 50 stocks. So if you see the Adani Enterprise, I have got the RSI as 40.39. So I have calculated this RSI. Now, what I have done is I have calculated the percentage change of RSI with 50. So that means if RSI is less than 50, I will be getting negative percentage. If RSI is above 50, I will be getting positive percentage. Why? I have taken 50 as the neutral base. Now, we all know that if the RSI is lower, that means it is in oversold position. And if the RSI is above 60, 70, it is an overbought, right? So now we have to take a neutral point where the RSI is neutral. So mostly the RSI is neutral on the 50 mark. So that's why I have taken the 50 mark. And then I have calculated the percentage of change of RSI with 50 plus percentage of change between 20 DMA versus current market price. This is nothing but this plus this. That means this percentage plus this percentage, and we have got 1%. That's how I have calculated for all the stocks. Now what I have done is I have created this top 20 Nifty 50 stocks to buy based on RSI and 20 DMA, where this percentage change of RSI with 50 plus percentage change of 20 DMA versus current market price I have given in descending order. That means whatever is the lowest is on the top. Okay, that means not the descending order, it is ascending order. Whatever is the lowest is in the top. Similarly, the next one is as you can see, this SBI Life is the lowest, minus 55.58%, and there's IndusInd Bank is minus 51.09%. That's how we have calculated. Okay, now along with that, in this sheet, I will give the link of this sheet in the description. Along with that, if you don't want this, you can always go ahead with either buying the stock based on the 20 DMA, that means whatever has fallen the most from its 20 DMA, or whatever is the lowest RSI. That means, as you can see, Adani Enterprise is the lowest between percentage change between 20 DMA and current market price, whereas for SBI Life, the RSI is the lowest. Okay, so you can use this sheet either for 20 DMA or RSI, or you can use this sheet for the combination of between RSI and 20 DMA. Okay, now I will let you know how to use this set, how to buy and sell. But before that, if you have bought anything from this seed you will also get that how much percentage it has fallen from its whatever you have bought. Say for example, if I have bought SBI Life for some amount and it has fallen the most till now, that is minus 5.42%, it will give me. Why this is necessary? Say for example, if I have bought all the stocks, if do you hold it, everything is yes here, then what I will do is I will not buy anything else from here. What I will do is I will buy from here, which has fallen the most, if I don't have anything to buy from here. Now coming to the bought stocks, say for example, if you have to buy SBI Life, since SBI Life has already bought, so today I opened the sheet and I got that, okay, SBI Life I have already bought, IndusInd Bank I have already bought, I have to buy now Asian Paint because this is the third largest, okay, third smallest. Now I will go to the bought stocks, I will give the today's date as well as I will give the Nifty 50 stock name, okay, what is the buy price and the quantity. Once I fill this invested amount, current market price, profit and loss, rank by fallen percentage and change today will be automatically calculated, okay. This is how the buying will work, okay. Now for selling, as I said, if I get the profit and loss percent 3% and if it has changed today, that is if it has gone down, then I will sell it, otherwise I will not sell it. So for example, for Bajaj Finserv, the profit and loss percentage is 6.68%, but today it has gone up by 1.28%. So I will not be selling this stock today. So just for the sake of it, that if it has changed today, if it has gone down today, and if I have to sell this stock, what I will do is I'll go to the sold stocks. I'll give the whatever bought date, Nifty 50 stock name, the buy price and buy quantity, and then I will give the sell date, that is today's date, what is the sell price, what is the sell quantity, how much brokerage plus income tax I have given, as well as how much total investment till date. So for example, if you are using this strategy, you have to mention one investment amount, say for example 1 lakh. Now in this 1 lakh you will be buying, you will be selling and everything, and then you at that point of time, that means today, you will be providing that how much total investment I have done till now. This is required for calculating the approx annualized, okay. So the whole point of creating this strategy or any strategy is that we have to beat the Nifty 50 index, okay. So Nifty 50 index by at least 1-2%. That's how we will be profitable. Otherwise we can actually buy and sell only in the Nifty 50, right? So any strategy if we have to create, we have to just go 1 or 2% more than Nifty 50. So that's why we have to actually give correctly so that we can calculate how much annualized percentage we are getting. If say for example, if we are running for 1 year and if we are not getting any desired investment approx annualized, then no point in doing this strategy, just buy and hold the Nifty 50, right? So that's why the total investment amount is required. Now once we add these all, the investment amount, sold amount, holding days, profit and loss percentage, profit and loss amount, profit and loss percentage, as well as profit after deducting the income tax and brokerage will be automatically calculated. Once this is automatically calculated, we will be getting the approx analyzed value. Say for example, I have sold these 3 things, okay, and then in August, September and October I have sold. So how much sum of profit and loss amount I have got and how much is the max total investment till date I have done, based on that I will be getting the approx annualized. This is just for testing purpose, this is not the accurate one. So you once you start using this, you will be getting some approx annualized, and then you have to see that based on the Nifty 50 if you are actually creating 1 or 2 alpha of the Nifty 50 or not, okay. Now this is the strategies all about. Now you can use this sheet to buy based on the RSI and 20 DMA, or you can use this sheet for buying just for 20 DMA or RSI, okay. Now I have created some of the other videos for the same itself, so you can go to this playlist called stock market, where we have different strategies like swing trading using RSI and SMA crossover, or how to calculate the RSI in the Google Sheets. So the same calculating the RSI in the Google Sheet I have used in this sheet also. Along with that, we can also use this Nifty 50 swing trading in the ETF also. Now, instead of Nifty 50 list, if you want to do that in the ETF, what you have to do is you have to change this Nifty 50 stock and then change it to ETF, and then we can buy and sell based on the RSI and 20 DMA. Similarly, you can do for Nifty Next 50 also, or any stock which you want to do. You can add that in this. Yeah, that's it about the today's video. If you want any more enhancement in this strategies, do let me know. Do let me know in the comment that have you liked this strategy, or if there are any other strategies you would like me to look at it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.